I'm Emma. I want to introduce my family. This is my mom. She's a teacher. She's 40 years old. She loves cooking. This is my dad. He's an engineer. He's 42 years old. He likes reading books. This is my brother. His name is Adam. He's 10 years old. He loves football. This is my sister. Her name is Sarah. She's 7 years old. She likes drawing. This is my grandma. She's so sweet and always bakes yummy cookies. And this is my grandpa. He loves telling me funny stories. And this is my cat, Mimi. She's so cute and funny. I really love my family.